Good evening, students. Today we have to see the cross-sectional view of a DC machine, or it is also known as constructional details. So this diagram shows a cross-sectional view of four DC machines. What are the different DC machine? What is the main? We have to remember. Or if question, we have to explain some parts, some functions. You can see, yesterday we know that there are two main systems. One is conductor system, another one is magnetic field system. So as coming to the first part, we can see yoke. Yoke, it is the outer part of the machine. It is also called as body or frame of the machine. It is made by different type of steel structures: silicon steel, rolled steel, cast steel or cast iron. What is the function? Its main function is it has to protect the machine from atmospheric conditions like dust, dirt and something acidic fumes. Second one, it provides low reluctance path to the magnetic flux. The flux completes their path north to south. Hence, it provides low reluctance, high magnetic flux, low reluctance, high magnetic flux. Next, we shall go for field system. What is the main function of field system? The main function of field system is to produce required amount of magnetic flux in the machine. Almost all we can produce the magnetic field by using permanent magnets, either electromagnets. Hence, modern electrical machine uses electromagnets. Low permanent magnets produces low magnetism, but electromagnetism has many advantages. Huge amount of magnetism can be produced and magnetism can be easily controlled. Due to these advantages, we are using electromagnetic field system. Under that, first one, pole core. This is part pole core. It is fixed to the yoke. What is the main function? It has to carry field coil. It has to carry field coil. It is constructed from laminations. Pole shoe. This is known as pole shoe. One end of the pole core is fitted to yoke. Another end, it consisted pole shoe. What is the main function of pole shoe? It has to spread. It has to distribute the flux in the air gap. It is having larger sectional area. Hence, it provides low reluctance. S reluctance S equal to L divided by mu naught mu r A. Larger area, less reluctance. Less reluctance, more flux. Less reluctance, more flux. Next, we have to go for field coil. Field coil. Each pole core consists field coil. It is also referred as field winding. All field windings are connected in series. All field windings are connected in series and finally connected to external DC supply of 220 volts. When the DC current flows through the field winding, these poles are excited. Magnetic poles are excited. Hence, magnetic field is produced. And alternatively, north-south poles are created. North-south poles are created. That is the main function of field coil. So, this external DC supply is also known as excitation supply because it excites the field system. So, next part is commutator. Commutator. Commutator, this is the rotating part. This is the rotating part is called armature. On the armature outer periphery, slots are fixed. These slots are known as armature slots. Each armature slot houses a armature conductor or armature winding. Through this current flows, that is known as armature current. side by armature core, a commutator is placed. Side by armature core on the same shaft, commutator is placed. Number of commutator segment equal to number of armature conductors. What is the current flows through the armature conductor? It also flows through the commutator segments. What is the main function of commutator? It collects the current. It collects the current from armature conductor and converts into DC current. It will act as a rectifier. It collects the current, AC current from armature and converts into DC current. Lastly, we have two brushes, carbon brushes. Carbon brushes are mounted on the commutator surface. These are made by carbon. What is the main function? It collects the current. It collects the current from commutator and supplies the DC current to the external circuit. Thank you.